Welcome to My Day My Choice, where style meets heart. Today we celebrate baby blue, mother of the bride dresses, the color of calm skies and joyful beginnings. Day to shine. This shade flatters many skin tones, photographs beautifully, and whispers easy elegance. We'll explore fits, fabrics, accessories, and budgets. Before we go deeper, please like, share, and subscribe. Let's start with silhouettes. Baby blue looks lovely in A-line, sheath, and fit and flare shapes. An A-line schemes the waist and gives graceful movement. A sheath is sleek and modern, great under a tailored jacket. Fit and flare adds playful balance to hips and shoulders. Choose a V-neck or scoop neck to lengthen the neckline. Cap sleeves or three-quarter sleeves offer coverage while staying light and comfortable. Fabrics change the mood. Chiffon in baby blue drapes softly and floats on the dance floor. Satin gives smooth shine and a polished, evening feel. Lace adds texture and romance without stealing the spotlight. Crepe feels refined and moves easily through the ceremony and reception. For warmer weather, try breathable chiffon or lace. For cooler months, choose satin, crepe, or aligned lace to keep comfortable. Let's talk color harmony. Baby blue works with many wedding palettes: blush, silver, navy, or soft green. Ask the bride about her colors, then choose a tone that complements, not copies, the bridesmaids. A slightly deeper or lighter baby blue keeps balance in photos. Metallic accents like silver shoes or a pewter clutch add sparkle. Keep patterns gentle so the look stays timeless and supportive, not distracting on this day. Accessories finish the outfit. Silver or pearl jewelry pairs beautifully with baby blue, adding light without overpowering. Choose a small clutch for tissues and lipstick. For shoes, a mid-heel or comfortable block heel keeps you steady during photos and dancing. Soft makeup with rosy cheeks and neutral eyes feels fresh. A delicate shawl or wrap protects from evening breeze. Keep every piece gentle so the dress and smile lead. Great fit matters more than any label. Plan for tailoring. Adjust straps, hem length, and waist shaping so the dress follows your body, not the other way around. If you want smooth lines, choose light shapewear that breathes. Neckline inserts or illusion panels add modesty without bulk. Petite moms may prefer raised waistlines. Curvy moms benefit from structure at the midsection. Comfort builds confidence. And confidence always shows in photos. Let's cover budget and shopping tips. Set a clear price range first, then explore boutiques and online stores. Order swatches if possible to confirm your baby blue shade in natural light. Check return windows and alteration timelines, especially near the wedding date. Sample sales and off-season buys can save money. Start early but stop searching once you feel beautiful. Thank you for watching My Day My Choice. Baby blue mother of the bride dresses bring peace, grace, and joy to a beautiful day. I hope these tips help you choose a dress that feels like you and supports the bride's vision. Products and dress ideas appear in the description as Amazon affiliate links. I earn a small commission and you pay no extra cost.